We've all walked a path where managing a team feels like trying to catch the wind. Plenty of movement, but nothing stays in place. When you're dealing with crews scattered across different locations, relying on paper notes and verbal promises usually leads to things falling through the cracks. That's why we've been looking into Connecteam, specifically Connecteam's Operations Hub. It's designed to be a digital home base for teams that work across different locations or are constantly on the move, bringing schedules, time tracking, reports, and digital forms all accessible from one user-friendly app. When people work in the field instead of behind a desk, using a regular punch clock on a wall just doesn't make sense. Think about places like construction sites or customers' homes. Those environments change constantly, and installing time tracking hardware there would be inconvenient. That's why a mobile-first approach works much better. Employees can simply use their own smartphones to clock in as soon as they arrive. Doing that removes the stress of trying to remember every hour worked at the end of the week. But the real advantage goes beyond convenience. For business owners, the important part is accountability. Remote teams sometimes deal with something called buddy punching, where someone says they are already at the job site even though they're still on the road. To prevent that, the software uses tools like GPS breadcrumbing and geofencing. In simple terms, you can draw a digital boundary around a job location on a map. If a worker tries to clock in while standing outside that area, even just a short distance away, the system can block the action or send you an alert immediately. That way, your labor costs stay accurate because employees only start getting paid when they're actually there and ready to work. The design of the app is also very straightforward. Even workers who rarely use apps can understand it quickly. There is a large Start button, and employees can select the specific task or job they are doing while clocking in. That small step gives managers detailed data you wouldn't normally get from a simple spreadsheet. You can clearly see how many hours went into plumbing compared with electrical work, or how long a cleaning crew stayed at a particular retail branch location. Moving right into one of the biggest time savers, the digital forms and checklists really change the way we gather information from the field. Instead of having folks carry around clipboards or try to remember details until they get back to the office, everything is handled right on their phones. We found that you can create just about any document you need, from daily safety inspections and incident reports to simple equipment checklists. The real beauty here is that these forms are fully customizable, so you can add things like image uploads or digital signatures, ensuring that the work is actually being done to your standards. Connecteam also has an AI form creator feature to create a digital form in a matter of seconds. When an employee submits a form, all the paper data becomes digital. This means if there's a safety issue on a job site, we know about it the second it's reported. There's also a really handy manager field feature where we can approve or decline a submission, creating a clear paper trail without the actual paper. It really helps keep everyone accountable because we can see exactly when and where a form was filled out, and there's no more paper chasing. For anyone who's tired of chasing down wrinkled reports at the end of the week, this digitizing process is a breath of fresh air. Building on that sense of organization, the job schedule feature makes it effortless to create shifts or dispatch jobs for your team and make sure they have all the information they need regarding their shift right in their mobile app. We know how much of a puzzle it can be to coordinate shifts, especially when you have people working across different locations. With Connecteam, we can build a schedule in minutes and publish it directly to the team's mobile devices. You even have the option to copy last week's schedule or use saved scheduling templates. Each shift can include specific details like the location, notes, and even attached files so the team has everything they need before they even arrive. We also really like the Open Shifts feature, which allows us to post a shift and let qualified employees claim it on a first-come, first-served basis. It saves us from having to make a dozen phone calls just to cover a gap. To keep things running smoothly, the system even alerts us to potential conflicts, like someone being scheduled for 2 places at once or getting too close to overtime. Since the scheduler is synced with the time clock, we get a real-time view of who is clocked in and who might be running late. It's all about having that bird's-eye view of our daily operations so we can make quick adjustments when life happens and plans change. Now, besides the regular shifts, there are always those one-off things that pop up, and that's where quick tasks come into play. We found this to be an incredibly effective way to delegate small, specific tasks without them getting buried in a group chat or forgotten in a verbal conversation. Whether it's reminding someone to pick up supplies or asking a crew to double-check a specific gate, we can assign a task to an individual or a whole group with a set deadline. The transparency here is what really makes it work for us. We can see the status of every task, whether it's pending, in progress, or completed in real time. If a deadline is approaching and the task hasn't been touched, the system can send out automated reminders to keep things moving. We can even break down larger projects into smaller subtasks, which makes the work feel a lot more manageable for the team. It's a simple way to ensure those little details don't slip through the cracks, and it keeps us from having to constantly micromanage every small action throughout the day. We believe Connecteam, especially their Operations Hub, is a solid all-in-one solution for any business looking to move away from manual processes and get organized and streamline their day-to-day operations. It's practical, easy for the team to learn, and provides the real-time visibility we need to stay in control. If you're ready to simplify your workflow and save yourself some time, we definitely recommend giving it a try. If your team is bigger, check out their 14-day free trial, no credit card needed. They provide 24/7 support to get you through any time. Check out the description to get the free trial. Share your experience in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to get more videos like this.